Hello everybody! Good evening. It's evening here guys, and tonight we're gonna do an unboxing. I don't have any makeup. I supposed to going to sleep, but since someone is requested me to do unboxing on this one, so I have to do the unboxing. So I got this humidifier, this one, and the brand is HuPro, that one, and it's a half family here. This is from, I don't know where it comes from, but I can't say it's from Amazon or from eBay or from, I don't know. I just got this in the front of the gate, and it's just like this. They deliver just like this. So let's do the unboxing. So you guys, if you are new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and turn the bell button, so help my channel to grow. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. So it comes with babasahin. Babasahin. And this one, I don't know what is this one. And this one, and also there is a brush. A brush of my yeah, and yeah, that's it. And there is also it's like a filter, like the card, and it's like this, guys. Actually guys, my stomach is not feeling good. I don't know. It's kind of heavy. And this is how it looks like. So there's something here. Okay, it's a cord. So this is how it looks like. That one. So when you this is top. Yeah, it looks like that when you open it, and you have to, I think you have to put the water here inside, and that's it. Oh, there is a, oh, this is nice because you can just remove these things and put a water, and then put it back there, and then cover it, and then turn it on. So that is just very easy. And of course, where is the button to turn it on? Oh, there is a remote control. I think this is the remote, guys. Yeah, so there is a remote here. So that is the remote. There is a turn on and off, of course, and there is a timer, auto, and humidity, warm, and what is that, mist level. I don't know, guys, but I will figure out, or maybe read the instruction later when I get better. So yeah, that is the remote control. So you can use that one, of course. And yeah, and I saw something here inside. It's like a foam. I think this one needs to be removed. It's not supposed to be there. Not sure, but that is what is it. Yep. So that's what I saw there. So I put it back, and yeah, and ready to put the water. That's it. And we're gonna use it later and maybe take a video. I will take a video when it's already filled up with the water and ready to use. Yeah. So that's it, guys, and I'm gonna use it tonight, I think. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna put a video I'm gonna put a little bit video later on when it's already filled up with the water, and I'm gonna turn it on, and let's see how it works, how it looks like when it's working, and when it's unplugged, when it's plugged in. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and hope you enjoyed this video. A little bit, I'm not, I don't know, guys, not really. It's a little bit dizzy. Not feeling well. Not really feeling well. I don't know. Maybe I need to think of you. Because my stomach is kind of weird today. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next one. Bye! So, ayan na, guys. It's already full of water. I put lots of water and it's turning on. It's already on, and yeah, if you can see. I have this one here. So all I need to do is to transfer or move to my room. I have to cover this first. Yan. It's ready to move. Diba?